In the last video, I showed you how a typical fruit-heavy smoothie raised blood sugar much higher than most people expect. Today I'm drinking a different smoothie, similar size, similar calories, but this time my blood sugar stays much more stable. And by the end of this video, you'll have the exact formula I used. Stay with me, because the one adjustment I'll share later often improves smoothies immediately, even if nothing else changes. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, smoothies don't have to be a problem. They just need structure. Here's the simple goal. We're not trying to eliminate sugar completely. We're trying to slow how fast sugar enters the bloodstream. That's done by building a smoothie like a small meal, not a sweet drink. Here's the 5-part formula. First, fruit. Use mostly berries. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries. Keep the portion moderate. Berries tend to contain less sugar per cup and more fiber than many tropical fruits. Second, protein. This is non-negotiable. Aim for about 20 to 30 grams. Protein slows stomach emptying and helps prevent sharp spikes. This is the most commonly missed step. Third, fiber and healthy fat. Add chia seeds, ground flax, nut butter, or avocado. These slow digestion and help keep you full longer. Fourth, greens. Spinach, cucumber, or zucchini. You can add a lot. They increase volume and nutrients without significantly affecting blood sugar. Fifth, the liquid base. Use water or unsweetened almond or soy milk, never juice. If the base tastes sweet, it's likely working against you. Now here's the adjustment I promised. For many people, simply adding enough protein makes the biggest difference. Even when fruit stays the same, protein often slows the glucose rise dramatically. Why does this work? Because protein delays gastric emptying. Sugar enters the bloodstream more gradually instead of all at once. Now, let me give you a few smoothie examples built on this system. A stable breakfast smoothie with berries, protein powder, spinach, unsweetened almond milk, and flax. A craving control smoothie with berries, chocolate protein powder, almond butter, cocoa powder, and ice. A post-activity smoothie with berries, a small amount of banana protein, chia seeds, and unsweetened milk. Notice what these smoothies do not include. No juice, no multiple high-sugar fruits, no added sweeteners. Now let's talk about testing. If you have a glucose meter or continuous glucose monitor, check your blood sugar before drinking, then again at 1 hour and 2 hours. If your 1 hour number rises sharply, don't panic. Reduce the fruit portion, increase protein, add fiber, or shrink the overall size. Your body gives you feedback. Use it. And here's the emotional truth. If you've struggled with smoothies and blood sugar, you didn't fail. You were just never taught how to build them properly. You don't need to quit smoothies. You don't need to quit fruit. You just need to build them differently. Now here's my question for you. Which ingredient do you think was causing your smoothie to spike? The juice base, too much fruit, or not enough protein? Comment below and let me know.